So let's look at an example of supplies used. Our supplies account had a $275 balance, but at the end of the period, on December 31st, we show $230 still on hand. So that means we've used $45 worth of supplies during the accounting period. 275 minus 230 equals 45. So we would debit office supplies expense, and then we're going to credit office supplies. And then you notice if we put our balance as a debit under office supplies and subtract the $45 out of it, then that gives us our current balance of $230. Now let's look at an insurance example. Our prepaid insurance account had a balance of $240, and that was for a 1-year insurance policy purchased on December 1st. So 1 year is 12 months. So what we're going to do is divide our premium cost, $240, by 12 months, and that gives us $20 per month. So we're going to depreciate that thing $20 a month. Now you see we are debiting insurance expense for $20, and we're crediting prepaid insurance for $20. And if we subtract that, then our new balance is $220. So this represents 1 month that we have used this insurance. And then next month we're going to take off another $20, and the next month another $20, and so forth, using the same kind of entry. So your slide here gives you a good description of depreciation. Talks about wear and tear due to the age of an asset and obsolescence. That means it's obsolete. And a lot of your technology equipment like computers and cell phones fall into the obsolete category. We already talked about the purpose of depreciation being to spread the cost of the asset over the number of years we estimate that it's going to be useful. And here you see the formula for your straight line method. So if we look at this example, we had office furniture that cost $2,000 and had a $200 trade-in value. And the office furniture, we had it for 5 years. So we take the cost, $1,800, that's the $2,000 minus the $200 trade-in value, and we divide it by 5 years because that's how long we had it. So our depreciation is going to be $360 per year. So if we divide that out by 12 months, then that's going to give us $30 per month depreciation. So a depreciation entry is always recorded by debiting an expense account entitled depreciation expense and crediting an account called accumulated depreciation. So accumulated depreciation is what we call a contra asset account. So a contra account is related to an account, and the balance of it is deducted from the balance of the account to which it relates. So the normal balance of a contra account is opposite the balance of the corresponding account.